Welcome back to our channel. Today in this episode, I'll be showing you the ways to withdraw money on Degiro. So first thing, you have to log in into your Degiro account. So tap on the login button and enter in your credential, log in into your account. Once logged in, that's going to take you to the home page, which is going to look something like this. So in order to withdraw money, you'll have to go ahead and tap on the fundings icon located right in between. So click on the deposit/withdraw button located in the top right hand side corner, and right in center you'll be able to see a pop-up menu. So from there you need to select whether you want to deposit or withdraw. Since you're withdrawing, so click on the withdrawal button. Next you have to go ahead and enter the details. What are you actually withdrawing and where to, and all sort of details, and confirm the withdrawal. Review the withdrawal procedure one more time and confirm it, and as soon as you've done that, you will be notified with a statement that you have successfully withdrawn money on Degiro. So in this way you can withdraw money on Degiro. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.